Hello, my name is Valentina Skipa-Shupeyko. I'm coordinator of the Urban Agenda Partnership on Innovative and Responsible Public Procurement on behalf of the City of Harlem, and also chair of Eurocity's Working Group on Public Procurement. The training of today is about pre-commercial procurement and how does it work in practice. This training is developed by EU-funded PROCEDIN project uh, with a strong focus on procurement of innovation, green mobility, and circular economy, and contains 10 main steps, which I will explain using a practical example. And the practical example is kindly has been put forward by Keino Competence Center in Finland. And this particular practical example um, is about to find carbon neutrality, acceleration, artificial intelligence solutions using pre-commercial procurement, because Helsinki has participated in AI for Cities project, and the aim is to achieve climate action commitments by applying and using artificial intelligence. Um, Helsinki aims to achieve carbon neutrality by year 2035, and they have a very strong need on innovation to achieve that very ambitious goal. And the majority of the Helsinki's greenhouse gas emissions comes from energy supply and transportation. And just give you some insight in percentage, caused by 56% heat because of the heating and 24% of transportation. And when you have such a need, is a pre-commercial procurement a very good legal instrument to help you to achieve this innovation. Step number two is set up a project content, define scope, define objectives, define outcome, results, and also impact you would like to achieve. And in the practical example, City of Helsinki would like to reduce traffic emission by 69% from the 20 compared to 2005 level. Step number three is design project organization. It means you have to take on board all necessary expertise, for example, project management, technical, financial, legal expertise, and define criteria for successful completion of all stages. And I also included a timeline of the City of Helsinki regarding the pre-commercial procurement they did. And it's also interesting to see how they made this timeline, and also what was the budget they had for this pre-commercial procurement for each of their phases. Step number four, prepare the tender documents. You can think about selection criteria, research and development stages and conditions, payment scheme, condition for conducting of negotiations, and so on. And in the practical example, the following criteria were added: ability to perform research and development up to original development of the first products and services, and ability to commercially exploit the results of pre-commercial procurement. Step number five is a call for tenders, where the tenders are published. And tender submission took place in Helsinki electronically via AI for Cities website. And step number two, selection of participants in the pre-commercial procurement. And I included a scheme of pre-commercial procurement. So you can see that in every stage, a number of participating market parties is reducing. So you finally can come to less solution, but a solution that could suit your innovation need the best. Step number seven, phase of the idea solution. And step number eight, phase of prototype development. And it's interesting to see that in the case where there was a lab demonstration, prototype specification, roadmap for testing, updated cost and benefits evaluation, preliminary business plans were included in this development. Testing phase, of course, how does it work, if it works. So in this phase, the Helsinki verified and compared different performances of each solution. And at the conclusion of this phase, the intellectual property rights and all prototypes were remained the property of the companies involved. And the final step, step number 10, phase of commercialization, and where in Helsinki suppliers were expected to protect the intellectual property, exploit the results of research and development within 4 years after the end of framework agreement. And what I also would like to mention about the pre-commercial procurement is that pre-commercial procurement is not regulated in the Public Procurement Directive, but is strongly promoted by European Commission as a tool to boost innovation. I would like to mention that EU-funded PROCEDIN project participants are University of Twente, Pedal Consulting, F6S, City of Haarlem, the Netherlands, and Gabrovo city in Bulgaria. I would like to thank you very much for following our training. If you have any questions, you can contact us using LinkedIn, for example, or you find more contact details on our website, and also resources, data banks, and a lot of other different interesting information on proceeding.eu. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.